Welcome back. I'm looking at unit part 1-2. And it's produce a risk assessment and method statement in accordance with the relevant organizational procedures and the limits of your day responsibilities. And what is this asking for you for? Well, it's asking you to produce a risk assessment for the job you are presently on. Okay. Not the generic risk assessment sheet which you get from your company, but one specific to the job you are presently doing, plus the one from your company, which would be the generic risk assessment. Okay. You can read that for yourself. Okay. You must be able to complete a risk assessment form. The evidence is your completed form. Okay. In addition to the above, you can also need to be aware of what do you need to consider before starting work on a new installation. Risk assessment, as previously mentioned. Temporary supplies for lighting. Is the scaffolding appropriate? Is there a safe place for the use of your equipment? Personal protective equipment. Is there adequate PPE available? Storage. Access equipment. Okay. If you're showing you here safe isolation procedures, how that could apply, please note that there's a better copy of this in your on-site guide. Okay. That will be it for this at this point. Thank you.